Welcome back, and today I'll show you how to enable or disable the voice narrator on the Xbox Series X. So all you have to do is power on this console, and then from the home page, select the settings icon that appear on top of the screen. Choose that, and then within the settings, scroll to the bottom and select accessibility, and then from here select the narrator option. Select that, and then from here by default the narrator has been turned on, has been turned off, and you will see a brief description. The narrator is a screen reader that reads text, buttons, and other items on your screen out loud. So if you'd like to enable this feature, highlight the narrator on and check it on.
Settings are loading.
And that will turn on the narrator, as you can hear on the background. So to disable this feature, simply highlight the narrator on option and uncheck it, and that will disable that particular feature. So that's basically it on how to enable and disable the narrator on your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.